Alright, so I'm here in Cottage. We got several issues here. So this downspout is missing over here. That's why the water is going down all the way there, penetrating through the wall. But it's not going to the inside of the house, but still spilling over here. And that particular downspout has a problem too. I don't know what was the logic behind it. So they actually put a pipe over here that comes out from the inside of the house. Now all the water is going down and backwards to the house. Now I'll have to fix that, move the pipe, turn the downspout to this area. And one more issue, water issue here. So got tons of water issue here, so one over there, so we'll have to check that. And one more issue over here. So the water is going through this wall to the inside of the house. Probably the gutter is clogged right now, and so we'll have to clean that and reseal this whole area so that the water doesn't go inside. So I think they did try to fix it, and probably this just left it like this afterwards, so I'll have to reseal it. Yeah, that's the recap for now. So the plan is to vacuum the whole house because we have tons of dust. Yeah, we have tons of dust here due to mud work. They were supposed to cover those tools, cabinets, but so they did a sloppy job. So now I have to vacuum everything here, over there, throughout the house. And yeah, so there's some residues on the windows, around window area, so I'll have to fix those too. Yeah, and spackling looks fine. It's not perfect, but it should be ready for paint with some sanding. Started the paint job in Cottage. All throughout the house, cleaning up, vacuuming it. Alright, so I've been working on here in Cottage for about 4 days now. Working on paint. So the wall is Swiss coffee, done. I believe it's semi-gloss, and then ceiling is flat. This is simply white. They both are Benjamin Moore color, and we painted the exterior door in wrought iron. That looks cool. And painting the side door to white. Yeah, looks cool. So, and then we have a lot of touch-up spots. So once everything is done, we'll clean up and do the flooring. And same thing in the basement. The basement is nicer because the drywall is actually new there. And once the wall paint is done, we'll install the carpet. I believe by end of this week.